competitive spirits. I knew that for the next year's fair I would have to do a real experiment, he said, not of others. The subject I knew most about was the insect work I had been doing in the past several years. Now come on the track that I have to do a real experiment to have the gain or to have a prize at a countryside fair. So he wrote to Dr. Urad for ideas, and back came a stack of suggestions for experiments. So he got some of the suggestions, he just write to Urad. This is a very clever trick. He didn't do anything by self only. He has a complete faith on Dr. Frederick. So he just write to him and get some suggestions, and doctor is also very helpful concerning the matter, and he just furnish many matters. Those kept Ebright busy all through high school and lead to prize projects in country and international science fair. Now see the suggestions of that Dr. Fredericks has give his became the immense and make him famous. He got prize in the project at country as well as at international science fairs. For his 8th grade project, now in the 7th only, beginning he just lost one, but then not only he won the national, but even in international level also he got prizes. Now he entered in the 8th grade. Ebright tried to find the cause of a viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. Now he changed his vision that what are the causes of the viral disease, because he have now immense interest in the life, and so he just tried to save them. Bright thought the disease might be carried by a beetle. He tried raising caterpillars in the presence of beetles only, so that he can see easily whether the beetles are the cause of that viral disease or not. I didn't get any real result, even after get together the beetles with the monarch. He said, but I went ahead and showed that. But till then, without goes on the track of desperation, he just go ahead. I had tried the experiment, this time I won. He just going on experiment one by the other, and then he got the result. That's why I write that this time I won. What he won? See, here it is given. The next year, his science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarch. What an interesting topic is he got. His science fair project was, what it was? Testing the theory. Which testing theory? Viceroy butterflies copy monarch. Butterflies is copying the monarch. The theory was that the viceroys look like monarch. Why? Because monarch don't taste good to birds. Means birds are likely to eat the monarch only. Viceroys on the other hand do taste good to birds. Mean the birds like to eat as their food to the viceroys, not to the monarch. So the more they look like monarch, the less likely they are to become a bird's dinner. So if they try their look like monarch only, there is a better chance to become a less of bird's dinner. But natural, and naturally it's this survival's idea is to be arise by nature itself into such a, see, in a Gujarati we know this monarch as a fuda, okay, we call, whose backside is just chopped, okay, whereas the viceroy is a type of a butterfly whose wings and the back is just not attached to each other, whereas the monarch's backside or backspace and the wings are almost seems to be chopped up to each other. That's why to save themselves to become the food of the bird or dinner, they just try or just copy to monarch only so that they can save self. Here it is given two that we learn now only. See, this one is first. It's a little bit. What's the difference is that upper one is a monarch and the lower one is a butterfly. You must see the difference. Just go ahead. Bride's project was to see, what was his project is there given, whether in fact birds would eat monarchs, that actually birds eat monarchs or not. He found that a starling would not eat ordinary bird food. That in his experience while observing all this, what he got as a conclusion, he found that a starling would not eat ordinary bird food. Means though he is a bird likely to eat the food which generally other birds have taken, it would eat all the monarchs it would get. Means all the type of monarchs he would like to eat. Bright said later research by other people showed that viceroys probably do copy the monarch. He was right only. Later on, other people showed, means other scientists also go on footmark of Bright, and they also proved that viceroy probably do copy of monarch. This project was placed first in the zoology division and third overall in the country science fair. So when he exhibit this in zoological division, he got the first place, but at a country science fair his project got overall third rank or third place to be said. See more a time. Here adverts is given. Starling means common European bird which nests near building and is a good mimic. Okay, we called it as a kabar. In a Gujarati we say starling means kabar. If you don't know, just for your information, here you already given, it's a good mimic. So many times it's happened that he just keep out a male voice of any other birds to attract the female, but when the female come near to it, they realize that we made fool by the starling. It's happened so many times, but to see that you have to go in a forest only, hardly to be seen here where we are living. See now, next. In his second year in high school, Richard Bright began the research that led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone. Now, when he was in a second year in just high school level, he just tried another research, but that led him to very important but unknown insect hormones. Indirectly, it also led to his new theory on the life of cells that at a former stage he was doing, but now he come on the track very right way. Actually, this is called to be a byproduct. He was actually experimenting on the butterflies, monarch and butterfly only, but that led him to very important unknown insect hormone only. The question he tried to answer was simple. To these connections, he tried to give some answers. What it was? What is the purpose of the 12 teeny gold spot on a monarch pupa in a lifestyle? This is the third stage only after egg. One condition is to be there is reaches up to a particular means caterpillar. Then from caterpillar it convert into pupa, and from pupa it convert into that butterflies or monarch. So there are particular only 12 and 12 teeny gold spot is there on monarch. So he just empathize on this spot, that why this 12 only and why during this pupa only, and that led and give us a very intelligent information in the future. First see the hard words only. Entomology means the study of insects. Okay, here given the lifestyle. What it gives means which part in these slides we will going to learn about this only, what monarch, genome and migrations. Okay, how it migrate from one place to another and which part is used for what purpose is here given only, and that's why I taken the figure here. It would be very helpful to you. See here I just keep. If you can't see in the slide only, when you got this, at that time just kept open your textbook and from that only read the paragraphs. You will easily understand that in which meaning I just kept here the figures. Okay, just go on. Everyone assumed the spot were just ornamental, Ebright said. Now what Ebright is saying, that before me everyone just assumed like that only, that the spots were just ornamental ones. It's about natural and design only, nothing else. But Dr. Urad didn't believe it. Okay. That's why now he got inspiration from his guru. To find the answer, Bright and another excellent science students first had to build a device that showed that. So he just go on their imagination and got this what? That not only Bright but another excellent science student who was his colleague, they have built a device. What that showed to us, that the spots were producing a hormone necessary for the butterfly's full development. Okay, from pupa only. See now in life cycle we just learned before 3 slides that the butterflies is, or the monarch is converted from the pupa. So these are the hormones, these are the spots during the pupa's lifestyle pupa, that it contains such a hormone that it is very necessary for butterflies full development. This project won bright first place in the country fair and entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. Now these projects when Bright has presented in the country fair, he not only won the prizes there but also got entry at an International Science and Engineering Fair. There also he won third place for zoology department. There he won third place for zoology at an international level. If you got third, that is an immense or over imagination. He also got a chance to work during the summer at the entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Now another chance he got at the Army Institute of Research, that is known as Walter Reed, and it is one type of entomology laboratory, and whatever the basic requirement is to be there to do any experiments, you can easily get that. That's why he got the chance even to get there also. Only one experiment, that the pupa has that 12 golden spot that producing a hormone which is necessary for the butter's full development, has got him won the first place in country fair, got entry in the International Science Fair and Engineering Fair, won third place in the zoology, and even got a chance to work during the summer only at entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. As a high school junior, now he entered into high school and become a junior. Richard Bright continued his advanced experiments on the monarch pupa. He already got first prize at a national level, got a third at an international level, got chance to do experiments at a army laboratory. Then also he continued to do experiments on monarch pupa. That year his project won first place. Then not that. Then his project won first place at the International Science Fair. Now when next International Science Fair was conducted, his project now got the first place and gave him another chance to work in the army laboratory during the summer. Means it's a collaboration only, that those who got first, second and third rank at an international level, they can have the chance to do the experiments at the army laboratory. So now next year his project won the first place in the same, means in the zoology department. So now more time he got the chance to do the experiments at the army laboratory. In his senior year now, at a school level, he went to a step further in the same. He grew cells from a monarch wings in a culture, means in a natural way. What is he? This is not a simple matter, extraordinary. He grew cells from a monarch wings, means in outer side, not in the body of pupa. in a culture way, means in a culture only, and showed that the cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spot. Very important discovery it was there. What it do? He grew cells from a monarch wings in a cultural way, and then he proved that cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales when only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spot. It means that the conversion of the butterfly is from pupa only, but the wings can then and then only can be grown when the pupa got the hormone from that brown spot only, or the gold spot. That project won the first prize for zoology at the international fair, now third time. He spent the summer after graduation doing further work at the army laboratory. Now his graduation is finished, so he spent most of his summer after graduation for the further work at army laboratory only, and at the laboratory of the US Department of Agriculture, because he now became very famous scientist. The following summer, after his freshman year at Harvard University, means when he got the admissions, freshman means first year students of any university, Bright went back to the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture. Means in the following summer when he got the vacation, after finishing the first year at Harvard University, he went back to the laboratory of Department of Agriculture and did more work on the hormone from the gold spot. Means whatever invention is did, he do more work on the same. Using the laboratory's sophisticated instruments, he was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. Now up till now he was just using the hormones only and doing experiments and proving that for what and what purpose, or so and so purpose it's done or useful for the butterfly. Now we go ahead and try to identify the hormones chemicals, that what are the chemical structure in this gold spot that can be helpful to grow our wings on butterfly's body. A year and a half year later, means continuously just going on experiments, and after 1.5 years, during his junior year, Bright got the idea for his new theory about cell life. And what is actually the cell formation of that gold spot in pupa? It came while he was looking at X-ray photos of the chemical structure of a hormone. Means during his experiments he was looking at the X-ray photos. Actually was doing the experiments on cell life, but while he was observing the X-ray photos of that only, he come to naturally by accidentally come to the view of the chemical structure of a hormone. We see the some photos of that only. Eureka, actually spoken by the addition only. A cry triumph at a discovery by Thomas Alva Edison. We know the story about that only. that to find the filament of a lamp, he tried so many times, and when once he was taking a bath nude, he got the idea immediately, and he was so enthusiastic or so thrilled of that idea that he just come out nudely without any clothes and ran to the streets. Eureka, Eureka, he was speaking like that only means I got. Okay, it's a cry of a wind. When he showed when he showed those photos, Bright didn't shout Eureka or even I have got it. But this is a wise fellow, very intelligent fellow, didn't feel any thrilling. But what he did? But he believed that along with his findings about insect hormone, the photos gave him the answer to one of biology's puzzles. Means one puzzle was there at that time, he got the puzzle solutions or answer from that photos only. What was the question was that how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. That what's the DNA, how the cell can read that my DNA is so and so. DNA is the substance in the nucleus of a cell, that we know now better, that in a cell of a nucleus we know that DNA is there, and each and every person has a particular DNA formation as per their parents only. That controls heredity, means our existence is totally upon that DNA only. It determines the forms and function of the cell, and whatever the formation of the DNA, as per the formation of DNA only, our formation and function, our cells form and function is to be there. Thus, DNA is the blueprint for life, we can say. Bright and his college roommate James R. Wong work all that night drawing pictures and constructing plastic models of molecules to show. What to show? Just see. First, just explain this half a sentence. Understood first this only. Bright and his college roommate James W. Wong, these two together, what they work, that throughout the night they drawing the pictures of all these X-rays, and then constructs from with the help of that photograph. They have constructed plastic models of all these molecules. Why? To show how it could happen, that why the DNA is created like this. Together they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. All the scientists either single or jointly do like this only. They just got the experiments, doing experiments, have the photographs, collected them, make some of the drawings and pictures, then come to the conclusion and give us the complete theory. Surprising no one who knew him. Means those who people know Bright and Wong, they have no surprise at all for this detailed theory. Richard Bright graduated from Harvard with highest honors. But naturally it could be that from the beginning or from the very age, the kids who from his very age just tried to get collected coins and so many things, and even got so many prizes at a school level and college level, naturally would get can do so many things. Second in his class of 1510. Why always no any surprising? Because out of 1510 students, he got second stand at the Harvard with highest honor. Bright went on to become a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical School. Now he just remained a student only even after become a graduate. There he began doing experiment to test his theory. First he write the whole theory on his imagination and experiment. Now he just try to do more experiment on basis of this only. If the theory proves correct, it will be a big step towards understanding the process of life of the human being even, not only a butterfly. It might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer and other diseases. Now you can understand now that how important the DNA theory was, because it would be helpful to prevent some types of cancers and other diseases too. All of this is possible because of Bright's scientific curiosity. His high school research into the purpose of the spot on a monarch pupa eventually led him to his theory about cell life. He just started his life from a very small insect called to be a monarch or a butterfly. He was researching actually on the gold spot on life cycles, one stage that is called pupa, but that led him to the theory about cell life. Hard words. Very few hard words is to be there, especially for the English medium students. Canoeist, a person who paddles or a light boat. Richard Bright has been interested in science since he first began collecting butterflies, but not so deeply that he hasn't time for other interest. At an initial base, he is collecting just butterflies only, nothing else. But at that time, he has no time to do other activities because most of the time was passed on collecting this all. And as we know earlier that he was not collecting only this, but he was collecting other things also like fossils, fuels and coins too. Bright also became a champion debater and public speaker and a good canoeist and all around outdoors person. Now not only as interested and because of actually to say because of his interest of collecting things, he has to just wander in the nature. So nature has given him so many contact of the people, and likewise the knowledge of that people he gained, and as a result he became a champion debater. Even the people connection make him a good public speaker, even a good canoeist also. We just see good paddleist and all round outdoor person. He was already there because he was a collector only means was collecting things, and to collecting the things of butterflies and like that only you have to wander outside. So what natural, he or she became all rounder. He is also an expert photographer, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits. That from what angles should I take the photograph to get the best result? In high school, Richard Bright was a student. Up to school level, he was a straight level student only, because learning was easy. He turned a lot of his energy towards the debating and model United Nations Club. Why he was, as a student, what he did? Nothing else, straightforward a student only, because he has to spend most of his energy in a debating and in creating model United Nations Club. He also found someone to admire, Richard Weir. He was one of the admirer. He is a social studies teacher and advisor to both clubs, means to the club to which he was connected. Mr. Weir was the perfect person for me then, means he was guiding to him at a right way. He opened my mind to new ideas, and from that only, once you got a proper preacher said to be a guru, your life path will go on very easily. Richard would always give the extra effort. Mr. Weir said, what pleased me was, means his preacher is just said that Richard is always give extra effort. That is applied to us also, that whatever we learn to you, if you try by self, other than simple, means in a extra way, that can give you a easy way of learning. What pleased to me was, here was this person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night doing debate research besides doing all his research with butterflies and his other interests. Very interesting matters. What the preacher is saying about the student only, that how his curiosity, how curious he was, that he just do extra effort. How and what pleased to him about his, that is say that 3 or 4 hours at night he was doing debate research, that how to explain the other person about his experiments. He was just debate on that only, and not by self only, but he was just research on that debate also. And this was besides his research on butterflies and other interests. Richard was competitive. You must be like that only. Mr. Weir continued, but not in a bad sense, means not madly. He explained, Richard wasn't interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. Best thing to be remembered in a life as a student for you, that you must try to do anything, means you must try to keep out the best of best within you only, but never aiming to winning anything or to get the prize only. Rather, he was winning because he wanted to do the best job you could. Means you must try to get your best. to get the best result ever. The prizes would be there only itself. It means that you must not try to get or try to learn the best way to have the prize only, but try level your best to gain the best, and that best gaining automatically will lead you to have the best prize only. For the right reasons, you want to be the best. See now, this is the best line in the whole story. For the right reasons, we want to be the best. We must go on his pathway. And that is one of the ingredients in the making of a scientist. The last line of the last slide. The right way to do the thing in the right way, putting your best for gaining the best. These are the ingredients to making of a scientist or to becoming a well-known person in the society. Start with the first-rate mind. Add curiosity. First-rate mind means have your full attention to what you want to become. Add curiosity and mix in the will to win for the right reasons. Bright as these all qualities from the time the book The Travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him. Richard Bright has never lost his scientific curiosity. So once you got any link of your interest, you must never delink the link. Just add your curiosity, get the in from get the help of the concerned people, even try to read as many as books related to that and go on the same path. I think that you will get what you want in your life. Thank you. Teacher has explained you even the question answers also, but I think that the way I explain you, and just think that questions and answers at the end of any lesson is nothing but a practice for you only. If I explain the lesson to you and then question answer also, that is nothing but a ready-made. You have to make the answer of the question by self only onwards. I have already explained you hard words given along with the slides only. So I think you would understand it better way. If have any of the problem regarding the explaining, you can consult me, Nilesh Patel. Science and science is to be taken. Your science is taught to you by Nilesh Sir Jani. Myself is a Nilesh Bhai Patel. So just contact me and onwards you will write down the answers in your book. Send me the answer. If any mistake is to be there, I will correct it and send it back to you. Thank you.